Guys, today I'm going to show you another video of my tornado siren video, and we're going to get comments on this video, and I'm going to do another tornado siren test. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe. Let's watch the video. I've been sitting here for an hour. This is another day to be safe. This is a day to be safe.
What conversion building here?
No.
Look, there's your guys. Look, do you like this, buddy? Look, to take to school, a straw cup. You want me to watch it? And you drink it? Here, you want to put my glasses on so you can see?
No, I'm not using any
You
glasses.
can see.
I know.
Okay. All right.
Whoa,
like
what is that doing
If
there?
I wash this, will you use it at home? Do you want this off of it, though?
Yeah.
Okay. I am so proud of you. You're doing so much better today. Let me look it up. I got you some t-shirts, too. Oh, look, I got him some shoes. I forgot. Look, buddy. You like these? Dinosaur shoes. Look. You like these? Look, I got him 2 pairs of Bobos. I forgot. And I got him some t-shirts.
Whoa.
Look, one.
It's going to get it's really different today. There's a tornado coming. We don't have sirens around here. They decide they will take them off. Oh no! Oh, I thought there was no sirens. Ah! It's heading right towards me. Ah, it's heading right towards me. I got sucked in a tornado. Ah! Ah! It's still forming. Okay, this was the video of a tornado siren test. Please like and subscribe. Please leave me a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later on my next video. Goodbye.